Sun Tzu. Know when to fight. This broth is the battlefield. Commence! Marshal the arsenal. Beef, doubanjiang, soy, spices, ginger, noodles, bok choy. I see your hesitation. Again, ignite the fire. Toss ginger, star anise, cinnamon. Sizzle like cavalry. Add doubanjiang. Spice the vanguard. Braise the troops. Brown beef shank. Seal with soy, then cover. Low simmer, no retreat. Simmer the battlefield. Broth deepens to mahogany. Beef yields like conquered fortress. Acceptable. Blanch the reinforcements. Noodles dive, bok choy flashes green. Instant ramen? Pathetic. Victory bowl unveiled. Mahogany broth, tender beef, noodles, artistry amid war. Final. Discipline served. Good.